Do you want to move installed programs and apps to another drive in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. One useful feature in Windows is the ability to move installed Microsoft Store apps and programs to another drive. You can also change the path of the default installation directory for new apps. This video shows how to move installed Microsoft Store apps to another drive in Windows. Let's get started. Use Windows settings to move installed programs and apps to another drive. Windows has made it easy to get things done. The new settings window includes all the options to move Windows apps to another drive. But you should know that only Microsoft Store apps and some desktop programs can be relocated through Windows settings. Others require installation. To move the installed Microsoft Store app to another drive in Windows 11, press Win+I to open Windows settings. Select Apps, then Installed Apps. Scroll down and locate the app. Click on the three-dotted line and select Move. Next, select the drive you want to move the app to and press Move. The app will be moved. Please note that this option is not available for all apps. Move programs to another drive in Windows 11 has no Move option. If there is no Move option for a program in Windows settings, it means that Windows cannot move that program to another drive, as the program does not support such a move. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.